If you need to share a Prezi link, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to create a viewing link and copy it in just a few clicks. Whether you're sending it to a class, a client, or a team member, this is the fastest way to get your presentation ready to share. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation in the editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top right corner of the top toolbar. You'll see a share button there. Click that to open the sharing options. After you click share, a pop-up window will appear. In that window, you'll see the option to create a new viewing link. Click the blue create new link button to begin setting up a fresh shareable link. Next, Prezi will ask you to enter a name for the person or company you're sharing with. This is a helpful step because it lets you keep track of who the link is for later. For example, you could type something like history class, client pitch, or the name of a teammate or business contact. Once you've added the name, click the create link button. Prezi will generate a unique URL specifically for that viewing link. Now look next to the web address and click the blue copy button. This copies the link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, message, classroom post, or wherever else you want to share it. And that's it. Your Prezi link is now ready to send, and anyone you share it with can open it using the link you created. It's a simple process, but it's great for keeping your presentations organized and easy to distribute. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.